Hi, Power BI superheroes. Welcome back to the Power BI YouTube channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the Microsoft PL300 exam and what it entails to become a Microsoft certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate. In order to become a Microsoft certified Power BI Data Analyst Associate, you need to take the Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam, which was previously known as the DA-100 exam. This exam consists of 4 measures that you have to be able to accomplish, which is preparing your data, modeling your data, visualizing and analyzing your data, and deploying and maintaining assets. And as you can see on the screen, there are different percentages that are allocated to each of these 4 measures. I've been asked by several people if the PL300 exam is difficult, and my personal opinion that it was rather difficult. I actually failed it the first time round, but this just made me motivated to give it a second go. So if you're going to go into Dr. Google, you're going to get different reviews about the level of difficulty of the exam, but don't be despondent or don't let this put you off, as it really is a good exam to take, and it gives you a vast amount of knowledge about Power BI. Now that we've got the scary stuff out of the way and you're considering taking the PL300 exam, you're probably wondering where to start. True to Microsoft form, they really have an abundance of resources taking you through every step of this process. Let's take a look. You will note on the Microsoft website, which we've left in the description below, that there are 2 ways to prepare for the PL300 exam. The free option is to do it with them online with all the modules that they have provided. And the paid option is instructor led, and this gives you a list of all the institutions that you can learn Power BI through, and then from there take the exam. The passing score for the PL300 exam is 700. This doesn't mean that there are 700 questions, but all technical exams are scored on a scale of 1 to 1,000. There are approximately only 40 to 65 questions that you need to answer in this exam. However, you do need a pass mark of 70%. It may not entirely equal 70% in the points, and the passing score is based on the knowledge and the skills you need to demonstrate competency for. So Microsoft exams are all scored on a scale of 1 to 1,000, and your actual score you need to pass depends on the specific exam you're taking. Other key need to know is about the PL300 exam is that the cost is 165 US dollars, depending on the region or the country that the exam is proctored in. The duration is 100 minutes to answer approximately 40 to 60 questions, and the questions include multiple choice, true and false, drag and drop, list builds, and case studies. Just a note on the case studies, they can be rather tricky and they can take up quite a bit of your time, so you need to manage those 100 minutes very effectively. The exam is proctored by Pearson VUE, and you can take it online in the comfort of your own home or at a local testing centre. The certification is only valid for a year before it needs to be renewed. To take a look at some further study resources, we've already had a look at the Microsoft Learn site, whereby you can do the free online training and follow through the modules, or you can do the instructor-led paid training, which can cost anything between $500 to $600 for a week's training. This is, however, without the cost of the PL300 exam, which is approximately another $165 based on the region or the country in which the exam is proctored. On a tight budget, the self-taught road and a lot of discipline can return the desired results. For anybody on no budget, YouTube is always the greatest place to start. There are lots of videos on just about any topic. Just ensure you thank your trainers for all their hard work and content by subscribing to their channels, liking their videos, and sharing their content. I'm a great fan of the online learning site Udemy and have over 50 courses in my toolbox. If you catch them on a good day, courses that are well over the value of $100 to $300 can be bought for anything between $10 to $30. You just have to find it at the right time, and there are great specials. So do go and fill your toolbox with these great courses. All the courses and studying is one thing, but practicing is definitely another. And I would highly recommend doing mock exam questions. There are several sites such as SkillCert Pro and other sites that one can download mock exams or buy mock exam questions from for approximately $20 for about 17 different exams. But this is really essential, as this will also assist you in seeing what the timing and everything else is like in the exam. As I previously mentioned, the case studies do actually take a lot of your time, because you do need to read through them very carefully, and some of the questions are rather tricky. So this is definitely essential to get some mock exams and work through those. The nice thing that I found about the SkillCert Pro mock exams was you could take the exam, and as you give your answers, you can actually see immediately whether it's a correct answer or incorrect answer. And they really gave good explanations as to why the answer is incorrect and what the correct answer should be. Here's wishing you all the success in your Power BI PL300 exam journey. If you've got any further questions, please don't hesitate to leave them down in the comments section below. Good luck, Power BI superheroes.
Thank you for watching our video. All the links mentioned in this video are in the video description below. If you've enjoyed the content, please like our video and hit the subscribe button to get notified of future videos. We look forward to seeing you next week, Power BI superheroes.